Hi. The lip of my wheelbarrow is kind of rusted and it's not holding its shape. So I thought what I'd do is I take some of this tubing here, and what I do is I bend it into the shape of this, then weld it in as a support. Right? Now, the big problem is, how do you bend this tubing? You know, it's pretty tough tubing. So this is where the brake rotor comes in. So I got a brake rotor, I clamped it in my vise, and it's got a nice groove here. This fits in here, and then what I can do is slowly bend the pieces down. It takes a little bit of effort. I wish this was a little bit lower, it's a little bit high for me, but it works, and I'm getting a nice bend out of it. So there you go, a nice easy way of bending metal. And here's the finished product. It's all nicely bent. I will just clamp it down, then I will weld it all up. It's actually really good, and that it's actually really good. Thank you.